Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, how are we going to solve this functional equation? So we have to find f of x, and we have this. We have f of x, f of 1 plus sin x equals cos²x plus 2 sin x. First of all, we have sin x here, so we have to express this side in terms of sin x. So now let us note that we have 1 to be equals cos²x plus sin²x, and this implies from here to be cos²x will be equals 1 minus sin²x. So when we substitute this one here, we are going to have 1 plus f of 1 plus sin x will be equals, this will now be 1 minus sin²x plus 2 sin x. Then how are we going to factor this in such a way that we look like this? So let's see how to do it. So it's very simple. From here, we have f of 1 plus sin x to be, let us factor negative from here. So here will now be minus, here will now be sin²x, here will now be minus 2 sin x minus 1. So from here we have f of 1 plus sin x to be 1 into, minus 1, open parenthesis, sin²x minus 2 sin x minus 1. Then from here, we want to do something reasonable. If we have to let 1 plus sin x equals u, this implies we are going to have sin x equals u minus 1. Then sin²x will now be u minus 1 in parentheses to the power of 2. So from here, we are going to have f of, from here, u equals minus, open parenthesis, this will be u minus 1 in parentheses to the power of 2, then minus 2 times sin x equals u minus 1, then minus 1. So we have f of u minus, open parenthesis, this will be u minus 1 times u minus 1. Here will be minus 2u plus 2 minus 1. So we have f of u minus into this times this will be u squared. This will be minus u plus 1. Then this will be minus 2u. Then this will now be plus 1. We have f of u minus into this will be u squared minus 2u, then minus 2u, 1 plus 1 will give us 2. We have f of u minus into u squared minus 4u, then plus 2. So from here we have f of u, open parenthesis with minus, here will be minus u squared plus 4u minus 2. So finally, if our u equals x, then we have f of x to be equals minus x squared plus 4x minus 2. So this is the value of f of x.